Hello दोस्तों. So in previous video we learn functions. Okay. So in this video we learn function with specify with name. Okay. And second we will learn arrow function. Okay. Or we can say arrow operator in Dart. So first parameter with specific name. Okay. So here we need to bracket and here bracket don't need this. Okay, just delete this. Now we will see here this info, and here we can in previous video we passed just value in parameter, but now we see the hint of that argument name. Suppose the name, and that name suppose then string type Anil Sharma, comma, second parameter is, oh sorry, parameter not required, salary. So salary, and in this we can pass this variable name also, but now I'll just pass value. Okay, suppose then 98,000, and third parameter is dynamic. Okay, so dynamic pi, let's see here, pi value. Okay, let's see. Okay, value of the local variable name is not used. What's okay, I forgot the semicolon. Let's see now. Okay, so it's run successfully. Okay, so it's showing, it's important while you using a large project, because it will show the hint what you want here. So same, for using this we use curly bracket inside function, and then no, then we call that function. That time uh, we can see the name of argument. Okay, and now we will see the arrow operator in Dart. Arrow operator is concise the syntax in Dart language. Okay, now is 3-line code. First we will see here display, just give name this display 2, and right here return type, return, and just return a string. Okay, okay, let's check this. Okay, return type string. Okay, we need to print Okay, print whatever this display info is written. So let's check here. Okay, so in a single line, we are returning from the function. So nation must LD 90 double value is okay. So now we will see here arrow operator. Okay, let's see, just copy this value here first. So now it's similar to display info and display second, both are similar. Now we will see what is arrow operator. Just remove this curly bracket and arrow operator. So now here no need to return. Okay, now we will print display info 2. Okay, okay, here we can say okay, no problem. And done now. Here we'll see both result we got, and in this second we use array operator. So using this arrow operator is concise the syntax. Okay, concise. So in this language, in this video, we learn two things. First one is argument with name, and second with arrow operator. And in next video we will explain other like classes, function, inheritance, all things that like this. Okay, please subscribe this channel for new update. Thank you very much.